The BMW 3 Series has 7 trim configurations in 2026, starting at $44,000 for base 330i and climbing past $62,000 for the M340i xDrive with every option checked. That $18,000 spread confuses buyers who assume more money automatically means proportionally better car. I've watched customers get talked into 6-figure option packages by salespeople exploiting the fact that BMW's trim structure is intentionally confusing overlapping packages, regional variations, and feature bundling designed to maximize confusion and commission. Some trims deliver genuine performance improvements justifying premium pricing. Others are badge engineering exercises, adding cosmetic changes without functional benefit. One specific configuration hits the sweet spot where performance, luxury, and value intersect perfectly, while 2 others exist purely to extract maximum dollars from buyers who don't understand what they're actually purchasing. Understanding BMW's trim hierarchy means walking into that dealership immune to manipulation tactics that have worked on buyers for decades. Let me break down all 7 3 Series levels so you know exactly what's worth paying for. Subscribe to Car Care Nest and hit notifications right now because we're exposing exactly what separates each 3 Series trim. Eliminating the confusion BMW dealers exploit to maximize option package profits. Level 1 330i. The honest starting point. The 330i starts at $44,000 with 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 255 horsepower. 0 to 60 happens in 5.6 seconds, perfectly adequate for daily driving. 8-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly. Rear-wheel drive is standard with xDrive all-wheel drive optional for $2,200 more. 10.25-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay is standard. Android Auto requires subscription after initial trial. Leatherette seats look convincing but aren't real leather. Automatic climate control and LED headlights are included. What you're missing: no leather, no premium audio, no adaptive suspension. But the chassis dynamics are genuinely engaging even in base form. BMW's steering feel and balance justify entry price. For buyers wanting authentic BMW driving experience without excessive spending, this delivers core competency. Level 2 330i xDrive, the practical upgrade. Adding xDrive costs $2,200 over rear-wheel drive 330i, delivering all-wheel drive traction for winter climates. Everything else matches base 330i specifications: same engine, same transmission, same interior features. The xDrive system is rear-biased until slip is detected, preserving BMW's characteristic handling balance rather than feeling like generic all-wheel drive. Fuel economy drops slightly from 36 highway to 33 highway. Weight increases by 200 pounds, affecting acceleration marginally, 5.8 seconds to 60 instead of 5.6. For buyers living in snowbelt states, this premium is easily justified through improved safety and confidence. For warm climate buyers, rear-wheel drive delivers purer driving dynamics without unnecessary complexity or weight penalty that xDrive introduces. Level 3 330i M Sport Package. The styling trap. The M Sport Package adds $3,500 for cosmetic changes without mechanical improvements. You're getting M aerodynamic body kit, unique 19-inch wheels, M steering wheel, and sport seats with additional bolstering. Suspension is marginally firmer, but not dramatically different from base tuning. Interior gets aluminum trim instead of wood. This is primarily appearance package targeting buyers wanting aggressive styling without actual performance upgrades. The firmer suspension creates slightly less comfortable ride over broken pavement without proportional handling improvement. If you specifically want M-badged aesthetics, this delivers that visual statement. If you prioritize actual performance, skip this package and save money toward genuine M340i models where mechanical upgrades justify premium pricing. Level 4 330e Plug-in Hybrid, the green compromise. The 330e combines 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with electric motor for combined 288 horsepower, starting at $49,000. 0 to 60 happens in 5.6 seconds, matching gasoline 330i, despite added weight from battery pack. Electric-only range reaches 23 miles before gasoline engine engages. This works brilliantly for commuters with short daily drives who can charge overnight, potentially never using gasoline for weekday commuting. Combined fuel economy reaches 75 mpg. The 8-speed automatic transmission integrates electric motors seamlessly. Battery placement affects trunk space, reducing cargo capacity by 20%. For buyers with predictable short commutes and home charging access, this delivers genuine efficiency benefits. For buyers without charging infrastructure or with longer commutes, standard 330i delivers better real-world value without complexity premium. Level 5 330i M Sport Pro, the genuine upgrade. The M Sport Pro package adds $4,800 over base 330i, but delivers legitimate mechanical improvements beyond cosmetics. You're getting adaptive M suspension that actually adjusts damping electronically based on road conditions and driving mode. M Sport Differential improves corner exit traction through electronic limited slip functionality. Variable sport steering quickens ratio for more responsive handling. M Sport brakes provide improved stopping power and fade resistance during spirited driving. Unlike basic M Sport appearance package, this delivers functional performance improvements justifying premium pricing. The adaptive suspension transforms ride quality comfortable during normal driving, controlled during aggressive cornering. This represents where BMW performance investment actually improves driving dynamics rather than just changing appearance. For enthusiasts wanting genuine handling upgrades without full M340i cost, this package delivers legitimate value. Level 6 M340i, the 6-cylinder solution. The M340i costs $56,000 with turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6, making 382 horsepower. 0 to 60 happens in 4.1 seconds, supercar territory from executive sedan. The B58 engine is BMW's most reliable modern powertrain, documented running past 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Standard adaptive suspension and quicker steering ratio improve dynamics significantly over 4-cylinder models. xDrive all-wheel drive is included standard, not optional. M Sport differential and larger brakes come standard. Exhaust note is genuinely engaging, unlike artificially enhanced sound from 4-cylinder models. This represents legitimate performance jump justifying $12,000 premium over base 330i. The inline 6 delivers smoothness and power that 4-cylinder turbo can't match regardless of tuning. For buyers wanting authentic performance sedan experience, this is where BMW's engineering investment becomes obviously worthwhile through measurable capability improvements. Level 7 M340i xDrive with executive package. The ceiling. The fully loaded M340i with executive package reaches $62,000, adding features beyond performance. You're getting heads-up display, gesture control, wireless charging, premium Harman Kardon audio, ventilated front seats, and comprehensive driver assistance package including adaptive cruise with steering assist. Massage seats are available as additional option. Interior materials upgrade to genuine leather throughout, with additional wood or carbon fiber trim options. This represents maximum 3 Series configuration, every available feature, and maximum performance combined. But you're paying $6,000 over base M340i for convenience features that don't improve driving dynamics. Unless you specifically want every luxury amenity, base M340i delivers identical performance for less money. This tier exists for buyers wanting comprehensive luxury alongside genuine performance. Entering territory where M3 competitors offer similar pricing with more focused performance credentials. Understanding 3 Series trim levels reveals that genuine value exists at specific points, while other tiers primarily extract additional profit through cosmetic changes or convenience features. Base 330i delivers authentic BMW driving dynamics for reasonable entry price. M Sport Pro provides legitimate handling improvements worth the premium. M340i represents the performance ceiling where 6-cylinder power justifies significant cost increase. Meanwhile, basic M Sport appearance package and executive package editions deliver diminishing returns you're paying for looks or convenience rather than measurable performance gains. When you're shopping, distinguish between packages offering genuine mechanical improvements versus those changing appearance or adding luxury conveniences. Test drive base and M Sport Pro back-to-back to feel actual differences. Subscribe to Car Care Nest because we're exposing which BMW options deliver real value versus which exist purely for profit margins. Buy what actually improves your driving experience Skip what merely improves your Instagram photos and negotiate from genuine understanding instead of dealer-manufactured confusion.